What you wearing, baby?
What you want?
I want to know what you're wearing, baby.
I just wanna have a good time.
This water's spilling on my lap. That's what I get for trying to be cute. So, this prank video was somewhat of a fail. But which you guys will come to see and find out in a moment. It's very short. We're gonna keep this very short, very cute.
How may I help you?
Give me just a second.
I'm sorry?
Do you guys still have the mushroom sandwich?
No.
Never mind, it's okay. I wanted to do a prank video for you guys because I never do pranks. So after I go ahead and place my real order for my real food, I'm gonna be doing a gay sex prank. Well, it's not really gay, it's just gay because it's me, but ciao. That's what I'm naming the video, okay? For the culture. Wow, I think I raised the brightness way too high in these videos. Okay, so I'm placing my order for my Chinese food. Spare ribs with the shrimp fried rice.
With pork fried rice? Okay, anything else?
Shrimp fried rice, please, sorry.
Okay, anything else?
She would never rush me off the phone. Alright, so I'm gonna start my little prank phone calls that I mentioned earlier. Starting with the restaurant that I literally just left. There's no way in she gonna know my voice. How many people she talk to a day? I can't do it! I can't do it! No, that's too obvious. Hold on. Let me look up the other restaurant. Y'all, I'm scared! Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Hello?
Hey, baby. Hello? That is so funny. She would never hang up in my face. What if I was just like a real friendly customer?
Thank you for calling Pizza. All calls are recorded for quality assurance. Esta llamada está siendo grabada por propósitos de calidad. We're hiring. Come and join our winning team.
Not in this lifetime.
We're hiring. Come and join our winning team.
Okay, Pizza Hut is doing too much. I'm gonna do better the next time, but I'm gonna call like 3 just for the sake of. This is my first prank video, and I know it's like super whack, but like honestly, yeah. Is anyone gonna answer? Do they not answer block calls?
Hello, are you?
Hey, baby.
Hello?
Hey, baby. Hello. See, I just gonna keep hanging up on my face. We're gonna try this only a few more times. It keeps failing. All I get to say is, hey, baby, and they're hanging up on me. This place I'm assuming they have block numbers blocked. Let me see. Let me act like I have shit to do. Oh, hopefully they answer.
Thank you for calling. We are closed on every Monday. Please call us back later on. Thank you for your business. Bye-bye.
What the f? Y'all close every Monday? Bitch. Okay, this is a fail. Hey, baby. Hey, baby, how you doing?
Hello?
Hey, baby, how you doing?
Hello? Hello?
Hey, baby, how you doing?
Good?
What you wearing?
Hello?
What you wearing, baby?
What you want?
I want to know what you're wearing, baby.
This is a Chinese restaurant. What you want, sir?
I want to know what you're wearing, baby.
You want to come over here?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Welcome.
All right, baby girl, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I'm done. I couldn't keep a straight face. I'm about to start doing pranks a little bit. Give me some prank ideas, please. I need material. Please. If you guys have any prank ideas for the future, let me know. This was a rough one, but yeah. yeah. Anyway, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more pranks, comment for more pranks, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.